Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another episode of the Silent Flautist tutorial series. I am Vivek, aka the Silent Flautist. In the previous video, we learned to play Raag Bhimpalas, a composition in Teental. I hope you have been practicing the Alankar as well as the composition in Raag Bhimpalas. In today's video, I will be introducing a new rag called Raag Bhimpalas. Raag Bhimpalas has its Aaroh-Avaroh as follows. Sa ga ma pa ni sa sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. The thought of this rag, as you can see, has to be kafi because of the komal ga and the komal ni. The vadi swar of this rag is madhyam and the samvadi is shadj. This rag has 5 notes in its aroha and all 7 notes in its avaroha. Hence, it's an out of a sampurna raga. This rag is said to be a late afternoon raga, which is the third prahar of the day. We will be learning a composition in Taal, Teental in this raga. Let me introduce the composition to you. Isn't it a beautifully peaceful and serene composition? This is the composition that we will be learning in the next episode. That's all for today, guys. If you enjoy the content that I create and you're enjoying the process of learning, then I suggest and request you to support me through memberships on Patreon. Patrons get exclusive benefits like a monthly Google Meet session, more downloadable PDFs, alankars, and so much more. Or else, you can consider making me a one-time contribution through any of the resources mentioned below. If that's still too much to ask, I would request you to like this video, share it with someone who is learning the flute. It will definitely benefit them. Make sure you leave a comment so that I can engage with you. And finally, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and you click that little bell icon. For every time you get a notification to learn something new, it will give me immense pleasure. Thank you so much for watching the video till the very end. See you again next week with a new video. The Silent Flautist signing off.